What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're creating a cartoon illustration of Doctor Strange from the Multiverse of Madness. Let's begin in the center of a page and draw the inside edge of the brow. And leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that comes in and then up. Let's line at the bottom over on the right and do the same thing. Then from the bottom of the brow we're just going to curve this up and bend that out towards the side. Do the same thing on the right. Let's flatten off the edge of the brow with a straight angled line going up and in. Now I'm just going to curve the eyebrow coming in and then bend that down on the inside. Now from here we tuck the eyes in underneath the eyebrow. On the inside on the left, step up. Just going to go straight across and then bend that down. Let's line that up on the right, going out and then down. And I'll draw two half circles underneath. On the left side, step in, curve this down, just bend that up on the inside of the brow. Let's add a small highlight on the top left side. So on the left side of the eye, we're just going to draw a half circle coming down and up. Do the same thing on the right. Let's add a small circle in the center of the eye for the pupil. And then we'll fill those in. Let's go back and fill in the inside of the eyebrows. Now from here we move to the center, step down, draw the bottom edge of the nose, starting on the left, curve this down, and then bend that up. And then step up and draw a short curve going up and down for the bridge of the nose. Now before we draw in the mouth, let's move out to the side and draw the bottom half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, we're going to step out, just going to curve this down, round out the chin, coming in towards the middle, go across, and then bend that up on the right. From the outside of the nose, curve the mustache going out, and we'll bend that down. Now we connect the bottom with another curve going up just underneath the nose, going across, bend that down on the outside, and then we'll fill the inside of the mustache. Now in the center, we're going to step down, draw the lower lip with a curve, going down and up. From the sides, we'll step in, come down and in towards the center point. Let's fill that in black. I also want to sink in the cheekbones. Starting over on the left, put this in and then down. Line this up on the right, come in the opposite direction. Now from here we're going to work our way up towards the top of the head. Let's start over on the left, go straight up, and just bend that in. And from the inside, draw a straight line going up towards the top of the forehead. And then from the right, we're going to go up and just bring that down towards the center of the head. Now I want to add a curl coming down the left side of the forehead. Starting from the center, go all the way around, and bend that in, go back to the center, go a little bit wider along the outside, and then pull that in towards that bottom point. Now from here we're going to sweep the hair over towards the left. Let's start from the center, curve this up, come down along the side, and then bend that out. And then from the end, just going to pull this back in, up, and then down on the right side. Let's go back to the outside, curve this up a little bit higher, come around, and then back down. And then going back to the top left, I'm just going to curve the hairline coming in and then down behind that curl. Now let's go over towards the right side, going out, come down and in toward the top corner of the head. Now underneath the hair on the left side, we're going to come straight down and then just bend that in. Let's go all the way over towards the right, curve this out and then down, go straight down and then bend that in towards the same height. Let's add some texture along the side of the head. On the left, come down and in, step up, and do that 2 more times. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Now with the hair in place, we're going to tuck the ears along the side. Let's start on the left, curve the ear going out, down, and then back in. And then from the inside, we're going to add a fold going up and out. Now that we complete the head, we're going to move down and draw the arms crossed in front of the body. Let's start underneath the head on the left side. Just going to curve this down and across towards the right. Let's go back to the left side. We're just going to round up the cuff. From the bottom of the cuff, let's draw the first finger going out and then up. Round up the finger, come down and bend that in. And we'll tuck 2 more fingers in behind. Coming in and down. Do that again, going up toward the top of the cuff. Now I want to tuck a finger and the thumb in behind. Starting at the top, come down and round that out, bring that back up. From the inside, come out underneath that finger and then back in. Now I want to take that hand and flip it over on the right side. So we start from the top of the arm, start with that first finger, going out and up. Round up the finger, come down and then in. Let's add those 2 fingers, coming in. I'm just going to pull this down on top of the arm. Let's add the finger and the thumb, coming down and up. And from the inside, coming across and then back up. Now with the hands in place, let's finish off this arm. We start from the bottom, come down, and then bend that out. Round up the arm from the elbow, going up underneath the hand. Let's go underneath the thumb on the left side, curve the arm coming down and in towards the elbow, then it's across, and then up. Let's go underneath the head on either side, curve the cape coming in and then down, in behind the arms, and we'll add a V in the center. Now I want to add some straps across the arms. Let's start from the wrist. We're going to step in, just follow that same curve, coming around, move in, draw another strap, and then we'll do that 1 more time on the right. Let's add some straps going across. Start from the top, come down and in an angle, step down, and draw that again. Now from the bottom, we curve up and out, step out, and draw that once more. Let's add a couple straps along the back arm. Now from here, we want to move back up and draw in that large collar. We're going to start from the side of the ears, curve out, and then down toward the side. And then from the tip, curve this in and then down in behind the hands. Let's add that medallion underneath the arms. Right in the center, draw a circle, and we'll trace that along the inside. Let's go out to the elbows, step in, curve this down and then in behind the medallion, and go up on the right. Let's go back out to the hips, draw 2 short lines coming down the side of the belt, connect the ends with that same curve. From the bottom corners of the belt, draw 2 straight angle lines coming down and out. And then again, we'll connect the ends with another curve. Let's move to the center and draw a straight line coming down. Let's add a little bit more detail to the body. On the right side, inside the belt, start with a circle. And then from the sides, come down and out. Go to the right. We're just going to taper this so it gets wider along the bottom. Connect the ends with a straight line. Now we're going to tuck the legs in underneath. Let's start back in the center, draw a straight line coming down towards the heel, and then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. From the middle, go down and up toward the left, and the right side. Let's go back to the left and draw on the top of the foot. And go up toward the top, bend that down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. And then we'll line up with the outside of the hips, come down, and draw two straight lines coming down towards the feet. Let's separate the edge of the boot, coming down and up in the middle, and the same thing on the right. We're also going to add a thick sole on the bottom of the feet. We're going to step up, just follow that same curve of the foot, coming in toward the heel, and from heel to toe. Now with the body in place, let's layer the cape in behind. We're going to start from the bottom of the collar, curve this out, and then down. And then from here, just going to bend this back out towards the end, towards the bottom of the cape. From the end of the cape, come down and in to create a fold. And then from the inside, we're just going to follow that curve, but we'll taper this so it goes back up towards the top, just underneath the hand. Now we want to wrap the cape in behind the body. From this bottom point, we're going to step up, we're going to add a fold, coming in, and then bend that up along the side of the body. And then from the inside on the left, come in and then down in behind the leg. Do the same thing on the right. And that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Doctor Strange from the Multiverse of Madness. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.